Okay. Now question number 11. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at C, if tan A equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. So for this one right angle triangle is required. Okay. So this is one of the right angle triangle, and in this right angle at C. So this is C. Now just write here A and here B. Otherwise here A, here B. And now we want 2 into sin A into cos A. Means A, B and acute angle. So first we write those two steps. Okay. Now what is the first step? Let triangle ABC be a right angle at C. That is the first step. And coming to second step, so this is an acute angle, right? So how to write it? Angle BAC. B an acute angle. Now tan A is given, that is a given value. So given that tan A is equal to 1. So tan A means if you take this angle, if you consider this angle, so this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse, right? So for tan, opposite divide by adjacent. So what is that opposite side? BC, and adjacent side is AC. So here it is equal to 1 and it is also equal to 1. Now we find AB value. For that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So that is the next step. From triangle ABC, comma, what is that? AB square or BA square equal to, so BC square plus CA square. But AB square is unknown value, either AB or BA, right? What is BC? That is 1. So CA is also 1. So 1 square plus 1 square means 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now we want AB value, that can be written as square root of 2. So AB means that is called hypotenuse and it is equal to root of 2. Now we find sin A and cos A. After that we can multiply both the values and 2, and we shows that whole value is equal to 1. That is the required value, right? Now first we write the sin A value. What is the value of sin A? Means how to write sin A? So this is the angle A. So for this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. What is that opposite side? BC. And the hypotenuse means that is AB. Now BC is 1, so 1 by root of 2. And coming to second value, that is cos A. So for cos A, we can take this one and this one. Why? Because this is adjacent side, again hypotenuse, right? So what is that adjacent side? AC. Denominator AB. Again it is also equal to 1 by square root of 2. Now LHS equal to, what is that LHS? Given value 2 into sin A into cos A. So 2 into what is sin A? 1 by root 2. Again cos A is also equal to 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. And root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Now square root cancel, we get 2 by 2. So both the 2 gets cancelled, we get 1, and it is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. That is the conclusion. Okay, next question. If tan A equal to 1 and tan B equal to root 3, evaluate cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we can take two right angle triangles. Why? Because first value is tan A equal to 1 and here tan B equal to root 3. So here A be an acute angle and coming to this B be an acute angle. Okay, we'll see. If it is required, we can take two triangles. Otherwise, if it is possible, we can take only single triangle, means same triangle, and we can try to simplify that value. So that we will see later. Okay. Now, so here this is one of the right angle triangle. Okay, and here A be an acute angle. Now write here A, here B, here C. Now it is an acute angle, but it is right angle. What is my point? And coming to answer, so first step is let triangle ABC be a right angle at B and angle CAB be an acute angle. Clear? Now what is the given value? Tan A equal to 1 is given. So just write here given that tan A equal to 1. So tan A means what is that? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So what is that opposite side? BC. Adjacent side means AB. So here it is equal to 1 and it is equal to 1. Now we want AC. So for that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So from triangle ABC, comma, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is the value of AB? That is 1. So 1 square again 1 square. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now what is the value of AC? That can be written as root of 2. So here it is square root of 2. So in this we want only two values. First one is sin A, second one is cos A. Now what is the value of sin A? How to write it? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? Opposite side, that is BC, na? And hypotenuse means that is AC. Why? Because this is the angle. Got it, my point. So for this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse, and it is adjacent side. Then what is the value of BC? That is 1 divided by root of 2. And coming to second value, that is cos A. So cos A means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means AB and hypotenuse means AC. And it is also same value 1 by root of 2. This is the first one. So it is clear. And coming to second one, what is the tan B equal to root 3 is given. But actually here it is right angle, right? So it is not possible to take same triangle for this. Then again we draw one more triangle for that. Got it, my point, sir? This is the answer for first one. It's clear. Now we can draw one more triangle. In that tan B equal to root 3 is given. So we can take that angle, and by using that, and we find sin B and cos B values. Okay. And at the same time we can use Pythagoras theorem also. Now here, this is one of the right angle triangle. And A is right angle. Now B is an acute angle and this is C. Otherwise write here B, write here C. So this is the first step. Let triangle ABC be a right angle at A. Next, second step. Let angle CBA be an acute angle. Now given value, what is that? Tan B is given that tan B equal to square root of 3. So that square root of 3 can be written as square root of 3 by 1 also. Okay. Now what is the meaning of tan? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is that opposite side? AC, na? So just write here AC and it is equal to AB. That is the given value. So here what is the value of AC? AC value is root 3 and AB value is equal to 1. Again we find BC value. For that we can use Pythagoras theorem. That is the next step. So from triangle ABC comma BC square equal to what is that? AB square plus AC square. Now that equal to what is AB? AB is 1, so 1 square and it is root 3 whole square. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So this is the value of BC square, but we want BC, na? That is root of 4 means 2. So where it is? This is equal to 2. And by using this triangle, we find, means we write sin B cos B. So just I am writing here, sin B equal to, what is the meaning of sin B? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse or hypotenuse, right? This is the opposite side. What is that? AC. And the hypotenuse means BC. What is the value of AC? Root 3. And the denominator is 2. And we write cos B. So cos B means, what is the meaning of cos? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is that adjacent side? AB, na? So just write here AB and same denominator value BC. Now AB value is 1, BC value is 2. So these are the 4 values. And by using these 4 values, we find this one. So now I am writing here. What is that value? Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now what is the value of cos A? So cos A equal to 1 by root 2. So right here 1 by root 2 into cos B, that is 1 by 2, minus sin A sin B. So sin A value is 1 by root 2 and sin B, that is root 3 by 2. So just write here root 3 by 2. Now here 1 by 2 root 2 and second one root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now both the denominator values are equal. That is called LCM, right? If we want LCM, just we write a 2 into root of 2. And coming to numerator, it is 1, that is root 3. So 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 is the answer. Okay, this is 13th question. Given question is in a triangle ABC, right angle let's see, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So C is a right angle and tan A equal to 1 by root 3. And by using that, we find sin A cos B cos A sin B, and finally we can find sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So for this we can take, means we can draw one right angle triangle and right angle at C, and we consider A, B an acute angle. After that again we consider B an acute angle, and by using those two angles we find sin A cos B cos A sin B, and finally we can add both the values. And here this is one of the given right angle triangle. So it is triangle, and what they mentioned here, right angle at C. So this is a C, and just write here A and write here B. Otherwise here A, here B. And tan A is given. So suppose if you take A, B an acute angle. So for this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So first we write the given data, after that we will calculate those values. So here, let the triangle ABC be a right angle at C, and CAB means angle CAB, B an acute angle, and by using that we write tan A value. So what is the given value here? Given that tan A equal to 1 by root 3, and this is angle A. So for this tan means opposite side divided by adjacent side. So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. And by using this triangle and Pythagoras theorem, just we find the value of hypotenuse or hypotenuse. So for this again we can write one more condition, that is from triangle ABC, comma, hypotenuse is AB square, right? So equal to, actually that is AB, but at the same time we are applying that Pythagoras theorem, then we write AB square, and the remaining value is BC square plus CA square. Now what is the value of BC? BC is 1, so it is 1 square. CA is root 3, then it is root 3 whole square. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. This is the value of AB square, but we want AB, that can be written as square root of 4 equal to 2. So now this is the hypotenuse and it is equal to 2. Now we find sin A cos A. So just write here sin A. So what is the meaning of sin? That is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. And this is the opposite side, that is BC. And hypotenuse is AB. So that can be written as 1 by 2. And we find cos A value. So cos means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means that is AC. Again AB. So AC value is root 3. Either AC or CA, both are same. And denominator value is 2. And now consider B is an acute angle. Okay, that is the next step. Let CBA means angle CBA be an acute angle. Now we are taking this one, we are considering that. And if we take this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. And again we find sin B and cos B. So for sin B, so this is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. Then just write AC divided by AB. Now AC value is root 3. AB value is 2. And we find cos B. For cos, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So this is the angle B. Now, so for this is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. That is BC divided by AB. So just write here BC divided by AB, and BC value is 1, AB value is 2, then 1 by 2. Now we find the required value. What is the required value? Sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Now sin A equal to, what is the value of sin A? That is 1 by 2 into cos B. What is the value of cos B? That is again 1 by 2 plus cos A sin B. So cos A is root 3 by 2 into sin B. So sin B again it is also root 3 by 2. Now 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, and root 3 into root 3 whole square, that is 3. So 3 by 4. Now LCM is 4. Here 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 by 4 equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, next 14th question. Secant alpha is given, that is 5 by 4. And we find 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Again first we draw the right angle triangle, and based on that, by using that we can find the corresponding angle. Okay. Now here this is triangle ABC, but condition is not given for this. Okay. Now this is the right angle and it is denoted by B. And now it is a ETC. Now triangle ABC be a right angle at B. And here AB an acute angle and it is denoted by alpha. So those are the first two conditions, right? So here let triangle ABC be a right angle at B. And the second point, angle CAB be an acute angle. This is the second step. And now secant alpha is given. So what is the value of secant alpha? That is 5 by 4. So secant alpha equal to 5 by 4. So generally cos means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. For secant quite opposite. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. And now we find opposite side. For this we can use Pythagoras theorem. And again we are taking that right angle triangle ABC. So from triangle ABC, so which is the hypotenuse there? AC. Then write here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And in this AB value is 4. So it is 4 square. And BC value is unknown value, right? And coming to AC, it is 5 square. Then just write here BC square. Now we want BC value. First we write BC square. How to write it? 25. If you write 16 this side, we get minus 16, that is 9. So now BC equal to square root of 9 means 3. So now this is the value 3. So the value of BC is equal to 3. And now we find tan alpha. So first we write tan alpha, right? Tan means what is that? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side means BC. Adjacent side means AB. Now BC value is 3. AB value is 4. And by using this we find the required value. That is 1 minus tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha. Now what is the value of tan alpha? That is 3 by 4. Na? So 1 minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus 3 by 4. Now just take LCM for both numerator and denominator. Okay. So now it is 4. Now cross multiplication, 1 into 4 is 4, then minus 3. Again LCM for this denominator is 4. Now again cross multiplication, 1 into 4 is 4 plus 3. Now 4 gets cancelled, right? And 4 minus 3 means 1. 4 plus 3 means 7. 1 by 7 is the answer. Okay, next question. If sin B equal to 1 by 2, show that 3 cos B minus 4 cos cube B equal to 0. Means B is the acute angle here, okay? And sin B is given. So this is one of the right angle triangle, right? And here it is A, and here it is B, and here it is C. So triangle ABC, right angle at C. and we want cos B, na? So then B is an acute angle. So these are the first two steps, right? So what is that first step? Let triangle ABC be a right angle HC. And coming to second one, angle CAB be an acute angle. This is the next step. Okay. And now what is the given value? Sin B equal to 1 by 2. So just write here, given that sin B equal to 1 by 2. So if you take B angle here, so this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So sin means opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? So it is 1 and it is 2. Now we find BC value. For that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So next step, from triangle ABC, comma, what is that hypotenuse? That is AB. So write here AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, right? Now what is the value of AB? That is 2. So 2 square. So AC is 1 square plus BC square. Now BC square equal to, it is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now BC equal to root of 3. So here the value of BC is square root of 3. That is the value. Now we find cos B value, right? So what is the meaning of cos B? Cos means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And for this angle, this is adjacent side. Opposite side, this is adjacent side, right? Opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So what is that adjacent side? BC or CB. So BC divided by what is that? AB. Now what is the value of BC? Root 3. And the AB value is 2. So square root of 3 by 2. Now we find that LHS value and shows that that is equal to 0. Right? So 3 cos B minus 4 into cos cube B. Now 3 into, what is the value of cos B? That is square root 3 divided by 2. Then minus 4 into, so square root 3 divided by 2, then whole power 3. Now this can be written as 3 into root 3 divided by 2. And coming to this, minus 4 into, now what is the value of root 3 whole cube? Generally this can be written as root 3 whole square into root 3, right? So root 3 whole square means 3. That is 3 root 3. So here 4 into 3 root 3 divided by 2 cube means 8. So here 2 times cancel, right? What is the remaining? So 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 3 into root 3 divided by 2. Now LCM is 2 and 3 root 3 again minus 3 root 3. Now both are gets cancelled. 0 by 2 equal to 0. That is the answer. And it is equal to, what is that? RHS.